Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Facebook Ads Manager for search intent audiences. Open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook Ads Manager homepage. If you already have a Facebook account, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Create New Account option and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, locate the Ads Manager tab in the top left corner of your Facebook homepage. Click on Ads Manager to open the dashboard where you'll manage your advertisements. On the dashboard, you will see several options related to your ads. Click on the Create button to start a new campaign. Choose the objective that best aligns with your marketing goals. Now, proceed to select the audience type. For targeting search intent audiences, select Custom Audiences first. In the Custom Audiences section, click on Create Audience to start defining your target group. You will be given various options, including website traffic, app activity, and customer lists. Select the option that best captures the search intent of your potential audience. For example, if you choose website traffic, specify the parameters of the audience based on their activity. Next, configure additional demographic options such as age, gender, and location. Once you have set your parameters, click on Save Audience to finalize your selection. After saving, you will return to the campaign creation page. Here, continue setting your ad placements and budget according to your strategy. Make sure you set the duration for your campaign to align with your promotional schedule. Finally, review all the settings to ensure accuracy. When satisfied, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Now, your Facebook Ads Manager is set up to target search intent audiences effectively. You can monitor your ad performance in the dashboard and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.